Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Pure Parity Diamonds by Clover. This starts our May theme week of Parity Diamonds. So what does parity mean? Well, parity is the property of a number of whether it's even or odd. So the parity of 2 is even, the parity of 3 is odd, just in case you haven't heard that term before. So let's go over the rules to this puzzle. In every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have these black diamonds in the grid. Digits separated by a black diamond have the same parity. So that would mean they're either both even or both odd. And digits separated by a white diamond have opposite parities. So either one of them will always be even and one of them will always be odd. And that's it. Those are the rules. There is a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. Okay, so I think in all of these puzzles, it's probably going to be fruitful to do even odd coloring. I like to use orange for odd and blue for even. It's just kind of what I've gotten used to. So I'm going to be consistent with that. And so let's think about these diamonds here. We know that in every row, column, and box, there will be 3 evens and 3 odds, right? So these have to be different parities from each other. So if this was even, this would be odd. If this was odd, this would be even. Because we can't have 4 of the same parity, right? And so that is going to use up all of the odds, right? Either these are both odd or these are both odd, and that'll finish off the odds, which means that this has to be even because we don't have any more odds for the row. And so because it's not 4, it's going to be 2 or 6. Now these can't be even because if these were even, we would have 4 evens in the column. So these have to be odd. These can't be odd because there's already 2 odds in the box, so they have to be even. And then that lets us finish our row. These white diamonds tell us these are even. Nice, getting some coloring done. This is even to finish the box. That makes this also even. That means these can't be even anymore because there's already 2 in the box. So these are odd and this is even. That makes these even. Okay. These are opposite, and that's going to use up our last odd for the row and the box. And so that makes this one even. Now that's 3 evens in this column. So the remainder of the column is odd. That does make this cell even. Rest of this box is odd. That's 3 odds for this column, so these are even, making this odd because of the white dot. The white diamond, sorry. That is odd for the box and the column. Now here these are opposite. I'm not sure we can see at this point how to finish. Oh, okay. Well, we can do this column. That's orange. It's odd. I don't think it's immediately clear how this resolves. These are one of each, these are one of each, these are one of each, and these are one of each. So I guess we have to do numbers now. So this cell is even and it sees 2, 4, so it has to be 6. That makes this a 4. Usually when we're even odd separated, it's almost like doing 2 Sudokus in one because you can do all the evens and all the odds separately. They don't really affect each other, except maybe this area. So it's kind of interesting. So can we do anything more with... Well, we do know that this is 2, 4 pair. We know that this is a 4, 6 pair. That makes this a 2. Okay, this sees 2 and 4, so it's 6. That makes that a 2. That makes that a 6. 4 and 6. 2 and 4. This is a 4 for the box. This sees 2 and 4, so it's 6. This is a 4 for the box. This is a 2. All right. And now do any of these see? Yeah. So this cell here, and that should finish it. This cell here sees 2, 4, and 6, so it can't be even. So it has to be odd. Now that's all the odds for the column. That makes this even, that makes this odd, and this even. And now we have finished our coloring. We should be able to finish all the blues. That's a 6, that's a 2. All right, now we should be able to finish all the odds. So yeah, we're just looking for cells that see both the 1 and the 3, right? So that's the 5. That makes that a 3. This is a 3, 5 pair. This is a 1, 5 pair. This is a 3, 5 pair. Okay, looking for our... Oh yeah, here we go. This is a 1. So this is a 3, 5 pair. This can't be 3, so that's 5. That's 3. This is 1 or 5. So these are 3, 5 pairs. So that's 1. That's 5. We get our 1 here. This is 3 and 5. We doot in the corner, of course. All right, this is 3 or 5. Can't be 3. So that's 5, 3, 5. This is a 1. We get our 3 and our 1, and we're done. And like I said, we got all our evens and we got all our odds. Nice. Probably going to have that a lot this week, but I don't know. I haven't tried the puzzles yet. Just a suspicion. Cool. Well, very nice introduction to Parity Diamonds, Clover. Always enjoyable to be coloring the grid first, and then be doing the numbers. And then we actually had to use the numbers to disambiguate this one little area, which is always fun. So cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed this as well, and I hope you enjoy the May theme week. And of course, if you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.